Hello there. Had a power outage yesterday, and my brother's Samsung TV, it won't turn on, and it's always blinking red light. We've had this monitor for this TV for like almost 10, 15 years now, and for whatever reason we had a power outage yesterday. It didn't damage the other equipment, but the Samsung monitor, it just won't turn on, and it just keeps blinking the little red light where the power button is. And I had to and I went over to Women Haven, which is a thrift store. I got another TV which works now, and I got it for 2049, a new, not a new TV, but a used one over at Women Haven. And well, can you guys tell me how to fix this? If you know how, I'd like to get it back up and running because it's bigger than the other TV that I bought at the thrift store. Well, have a good one. Bye.